Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about a new passive income project which could give you up to 2920% APR. So before we start the video, I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the video. So the project which we are going to talk about today is called as Aping Avax. So they will give you rewards in terms of apes. So the investment which you need to do from your part will be Avax. So what you need to do is you need to connect your wallet, which can be MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You need to transfer AVAX coins in this particular wallet and then connect your wallet and just click on hire apes. So once you will buy your apes coin using AVAX blockchain, so you will automatically have some apes in your wallet, and on your daily basis you will be getting some rewards on AVAX. So then after every day, so you can rehire it or you can collect it. So let's look into their white paper. So what is their mechanism and how they are running? So if we scroll down a bit, so they have their official snow trace website, which you can click on, see their contract address. They have not officially launched yet, so they will be launching in next 3 hours. So we are quite early on making the video and educating people about this particular project. Now whatever transactions are being done here, so you should be able to like scratch them up or look into the transactions. But overall, it's a new project and seems quite promising looking into their white paper. So let's scroll down and see how things are. So if you click on this particular link, so it will take you to their official Telegram page, and let's look into their official Twitter page. So once I click it here, it takes me here. So currently they have 847 followers and 3 of them which they are following. So they are saying we are launching soon in 14 hours AVAX miner. So they are using some sort of ape coin. So they are using some sort of ape coin scenario where there is a ape here. So they are saying we are launching on April 17th, 2 p.m. UTC, and that's their GUI. Kind of reminds me of RubyMine. So they are saying like, so that's one of the video. I'm going to upload my video soon, and then yeah, so that's what they have posted in terms of the generic APR. So APR says 2920%, 8% per day. So on an average, like if you are investing $100, so you should be getting around $8 a day, which is quite good. Official launch time is here. You can join their Telegram. So you can join their Telegram group, and that's their official website. And I am not able to see much details here. Let's go ahead and let's try to dig on their white paper. So what does it say? So if we click on white paper, so we should be able to reach here. So it's saying, okay, so they have added like 7 tabs about in compound, free strategy, FAQs, and official links. So let's dig more into about says Aping Avax is a rich Avax mine where the Avax riches are endless. Avax masters hire the most powerful ape mobs to break through the grounds of mines with brute force of relentless returns. So it's again they are using a mining technology in the back end. So what you need to do is basically you are investing Avax and you are getting coins from them in terms of ape, which in return will give you Avax. So the option is rehire them or you can take your daily profit out, but we need to find out how much they are charging. So we will go to that part shortly. Next, they are saying mining. After all expenses for mining, you will be able to receive 8% of your initial investment every day, which is quite good. Now, referral. Convince your friends to hire some apes and receive 12% of their total investment, which is quite good. So if you are referring your friends, and when they join on part of your behalf, so automatically, let's say if a person is investing $1,000, so you should be getting around $120 worth of AVAX in your account. And you can get your referral link from their official page, which should be somewhere here. Once you connect your wallet, it should generate an referral link for you guys. Now let's go next a bit. So yes, Compound says reinvest your daily rewards to hire more apes that will non-stop get AVAX out of the mines and increase your earnings exponentially. So you can reinvest your daily profit and you should be able to generate more AVAX in a return. So you can recompound your profit as much as you want. Okay, so let's see what they are saying in terms of their fees. So 8% fee on invest and sale of AVAX. So if you are depositing 1000 USDT, so you should be charged around 8% of the fees when you buy it, and the same will happen when you are going to take that money out. So I would highly recommend you don't take the daily profit out, because if you are trying to take $10 out, you should be able to get only perhaps maybe uh, so what's 8% of $10? Let's see. My maths are quite weak always, so I always forget things. So 8% of $100 or 1000. Yeah, so that's the profit which you will be getting on daily basis. Now let me do 8% of 80. Yes, so that's the bad part. So you should be able to get only $6 a day, which is very bad because they will be taking most of your money away. So take your money out after a week or a month then. Okay. Now it says 3% will go to honor, 3% to the devs, and 2% will be used for the marketing. There is no fees taken from you when you reinvest or rehire your rewards. So that's a good sign. So the reinvesting will be totally free of cost. I think you don't need, so they won't be charging you a gas fees. That's a good scenario. Now, strategy. The strategy says a handful of experienced AVAC masters develop their most profitable strategies without ever exhausting their minds. Okay, that's good. So this means you don't have to spend your personal electricity. It's some sort of cloud-based mining. Yet, each having their own mines, they work together as a team. That's good. They rehire apes 6 times per week and take their profits one time week. Okay, so they are using the same strategy as like Ruby Mine or some of the other projects launch. So what you need to do as a good investor is, so you need to rehire your apes 6 times per week. On the seventh day, take your profit out, which is after like one recurring day a week, which means every seventh day you should take your profit out, which is quite good because you won't be charged 8% every day. That's a good one. So taking profits too often will exhaust your mind and therefore decrease your return on investment in the short or the longer run. Now, this is a very tricky point because a bit of issue which I've seen with these kind of projects which are launched on newly basis, you don't know the sustainability of the project. I hope so. This will like go in the longer run, but just carefully invest your money and see how you are going to get your ROI. Okay. Then it says, do you have what it takes to be an AVAX master? Yes, of course, because we are going to invest money in and see how it goes. So there are a couple of FAQs which are like generic question answers. So it says like, how does Aping Avax works? How does Aping Avax work? So you deposit your Avax and everybody you will earn 8% of your invested amount. That accrues rewards throughout the day. Please note that your ROI will decrease with each subsequent claim. So this means if you are taking out profit every day, that will decrease your daily ROI. To help keep the highest ROI of 8% per day, we encourage you to compound your rewards for 6 days and claim it on 7th day. The mechanism is built into the contract. So they have added some feature in the back end. So if you are going to take your daily amount out, so automatically your ROI will be less than 8%, which seems quite fair because that's in their contract. Now let's check what's the minimum amount you can invest. So it says the minimum amount of investment can be zero point 0.1 AVAX. So currently AVAX coin price, let's see where it is standing at the moment. Okay, so currently the price of AVAX is 77.95, which is fine. So if I go with the bare minimum investment, okay, yeah, so that's only just $7, which is not bad. Yeah, you can go with maybe let's say $10 or $20 and try how they're. So if we are going with the bare minimum investment, as they said, it's zero point 0.1 AVAX. So that's only $7.79, which is not bad. So I think you can start with probably zero point 0.3 or maybe zero point 0.2, all depends on your investment, and see how things go. But since it is a new launch, so hopefully it is going to stay long. Then let's check the other part. Do you have anti-whale mechanism? So it says like 6 by 1 is the way to go. It's not a strategy. Furthermore, also our anti-whale mechanism, it will ensure that TVL constantly increases. So this means anti-whales, like who are trying to be major investors, and the moment they pull out their money, so they will be charged more fees, and their anti-whale mechanism will increase fees for that particular person. And the next one, how long will the contract pay out rewards? Okay, as long as there is balance in the contract, there will be always rewards. So this means it's sort of long running investment, which I can say like some sort of retiree fund. It will keep on going for life as long as the project stays. Hopefully, let's pray for that. What prevents the developers from rugging? The contract is immutable, meaning that once it is deployed, the developers has no access to the contract and cannot send anything out of the wallet. Okay, so that's something new which I'm hearing for the first time, because usually all of the project developers, they have full access to the wallets, and whenever they want to liquidate the money, they can just pull out the profit, which this company is basically claiming that they don't have such mechanism, which is quite good. So this means if you are investing your money, hopefully it will remain safe. And I think that's it. And can I be too late to deposit my funds? The contract is written to incentive anyone. However, the impact is just very small. If you can get in early, you should consider it and start compounding your stake. So whenever you are going to invest in this particular project, so this means 8% is the minimum bare return which you will be getting every day, which is quite good. So it's basically the project says like you are never too late to invest. But I think with such projects, when they are starting, it's better to invest very early and see how things are going, maybe in a matter of week or two. But the good thing which I take out from this project is, in the end, you will be getting Avax coin. And Avax seems to be pretty stable coin if I look into their charts, maybe for, let's look into here. Yeah, so there has not been much hype, but initially I think last year it was somewhere around maybe 18 or 19. Then it jumped to I think 123. Now it's back to 77. So from the last 3 months the graph seems to be quite stable. And Avax is a blockchain, so it's a utility on which people build their applications on. So this coin is not going anywhere, it's a longer run stuff. So the project seems to be quite safe. Hopefully things go well. And they are launched on Binance Smart Chain, which is good. So when you are connecting your wallet, which is MetaMask or Trust Wallet, so you can buy it from BNB also. And I think, let me check if they have any other addresses. Yeah, so you can buy it from Avalon Chain, you can buy it from Moonbeam, and you can buy it from Binance Smart Chain. So you should have Avalanche or Avax in your wallet, and then you can do a transaction on this particular website, which should be giving you apes. So that's how this project works. It's sort of a mining project, and still like 3 hours 23 minutes to launch. So guys, best of the luck for those who are going to invest. As I always say, please do your own research before investing in a project. And that's it from my today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as possible. Thank you.